on the Miramichi. Ooh, the water's low.
But at least it's flowing.
Yeah. There's the footbridge. The footbridge.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna lay in it.
You wanna lay right down in it.
Lay in the water.
Oh, the pretty colors. Priceville over there. Priceville.
The water's really nice.
Yeah. All the leaves are changing color. Yeah. Everybody's going up to the footbridge. The water's quite low. Water is quite low. Look at that slimy part. Just floating there.
Like when it hits the rock.
Yeah.
Oh, no, don't drink in there, bud.
Koopy's really
Yeah,
happy.
drink in the flowy water. Oh.
Like, who wouldn't want to live over here? Can I skip a rock? Yes, I'm pretty sure I can. Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh! Yeah! No, I'm
Oh,
never...
Coop, you don't need to go out and get it.
Yeah, no.
No, come here. That's too...
That's a big, little one.
You're going to float down the river. The tide's too strong. Current's too strong. Let's go up this way a bit.
Really want to.
Let's go up this way a bit.